Now, one of the great things about having the leaf blower in the middle of the summer is when you're cutting your grass. Because now, I can blow all the trimmings back into the grass for a much easier clean job. Great time to use this would be in the fall, not in the middle of summer. And we're gonna go ahead and show you low gear. Low gear will move some stuff around, switch it over to second gear. And now you can clean up your yard when the leaves really start falling off the trees. Not in 100-degree weather in the middle of the summer. That's an electric leaf blower. And 2 batteries for your leaf blower. These batteries are 21 volts.